सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कार। सो श्रीनिवास महोदय, एतावत्पर्यन्तं 12 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः अस्मिन् गीतासङ्ग्रहपुस्तके ग्रन्थे। 4th अध्यायस्थाः 12 संख्याकाः श्लोकाः पठिताः। अद्य 13मः श्लोकः पठनीयः। वास्तविकसंख्या अस्य गीतायां 37 संख्या वर्तते। 37th poem in the original Gita. In the abridged Gita what we are studying, this is the 13th poem. पूर्वं मया किञ्चित् वक्तव्यमासीत् गतकक्षायां. I had to say something in the previous class. The word avagamah in the last page, in the yathara paryaya shabdas, jnanam bodhah pratyaya prama avagamah, we have given the meaning there as knowledge avagamah. There is a poem in the Gita in the 9th chapter, 2nd sloka, rajavidya rajagrihyam pavitramidam uttamam pratyakshaavagamam dharmyam and then susukam kartum avyayam. Pratyakshaavagamam, avagama shabda is used there, which can be realized by direct perception. Rajavidya, rajagrihyam, this is the king of the all vidyas. Vidyanam Raja, Raja Vidya. Raja Guhyam, Guhyanam, Rahasyanam Raja. Etad iti Raja Vidya, Raja Guhyam Pavitramidam Uttamam. Pavitram Uttamam asti, Uttamam Jnanam asti. Etam Jnanam Pratyaksha avagamam, pratyakshena avagantum yatra shakyate, pratyakshaavagamam iti avagama shabdasya tatra prayoga krutaha asti tasmin shloke 9th अध्याये. तद् स्मारयितुम् ऐच्छम् इदानीं स्मारितः, सः शब्दः स्मारितः मया। वयम् इदानीम् अग्रे गच्छामः। श्रीनिवास श्लोकं पठतु। यथैदांसि दांसि समिद्धो पुनः यथैदांसि समिद्धो सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा भस्मसात् सर्वकर्माणि कुरुते तथा। श्लोकपदच्छेदः तत्र दत्तः अस्ति, वयं पठामः। यथा यधांसि एधांसि समिद्धः अग्निः भस्मसात् कुरुते अर्जुन, ज्ञान अग्निः सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा। एकेन उपमानेन तत्र ज्ञानस्य वर्णनं बहु सुन्दरं तत्र वर्णितमस्ति। श्रीनिवास पदच्छेदाभ्यासः। यथैदांसि, यथा एधांसि, एधांसि संधि वृद्धि, यथा प्लस एधांसि, एधांसि। समिद्धोऽग्निः, पूर्व रूप संधि, विसर्ग पूर्व। अग्निर्भस्मसात्,
अग्निः भस्मसात्,
विसर्ग। भस्मसात् कुरुते, सात् कुरुते, सिंपल जॉइनिंग। कुरुते अर्जुन, अर्जुन पूर्व रूप संधि। ज्ञानाग्निः,
ज्ञान प्लस अग्निः,
सवर्ण। सर्वकर्माणि, सर्वकर्माणि संधिर्नास्ति तत्र, परन्तु सर्वकर्माणि कुरुते इति शब्दः अत्र क्रियापदं प्रयुक्तमस्ति खलु। क्रुञ् धातोः डुक्रुञ् करोति। क्रू धातुः उभयपदी वर्तते, परस्मैपदी अपि अस्ति, आत्मनेपदी अपि। यदि परस्मैपदी पदे यदि पश्यामः, करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति इति सुप्रसिद्धं। तत्र सर्वे जानन्ति, करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति, करोषि कुरुतः कुरुतः, करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः इति लट् लकारे रूपाणि भवन्ति। यदि धातुरयं आत्मनेपदी भवति तर्हि कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते इति भवति। तद् तत्र स्मर्तव्यं द्रष्टव्यं च। कुरुषे कुर्वाते कुर्वते कुरुध्वे क्षम्यतां कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे। कुर्वे इति उत्तमपुरुषे, कुर्वहे कुर्महे इति मध्यम बहुवचने, कुरुते इति, कुर्वते इति बहुवचने, कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते। तत्र अन्त इति शब्दः न श्रूयते। कुर्वते इति बहुवचनमस्ति, कुरुते कुर्वते। पदपरिचयं यथा एधांसि, एधः एधसि एधांसि, लाइक मनः मनसि मनांसि। समिद्धः अग्निः विशेष। भस्मसात् सात्यन्तं, सात् अन्तं अन्तं सात्यन्तं, साति अन्तं। कुरुते एकवचनं कर्तरि क्रियापदं कुरुते कुर्वाते कुरुते। इदानीं अर्जुन ज्ञानाग्निः। There is one word missing here, you know. Sarva karmani should be not printed. So you can read sarva karmani. Then you can say nakaranta, napumsakalinga, prathama, no, dvitiya, bahuvachanam. Prathama bahuvachanam also it is. Karma karmani karmani. So that is samasta padam also. Sarva karmani. Then bhasmasat, satyantam. Satyantam means ending in sat, bhasmasat. Kurute, again repeated, same. Kru, ita purvam agatam na. Ante, tatha. So you can see here, yatha, tatha, yada, tada. So these pairs like come as like that. So vargikarana abhyasa, pradattani padani, vargasha, okay. Prathamantam, त्रीणि पदानि, प्रथमान्त पदानि। समिद्धः एकम्, अग्निः द्वितीयं, ज्ञानाग्निः तृतीयं। साधु। सो समिद्धः अग्निः ज्ञानाग्निः इति एतानि त्रीण्यपि पदानि प्रथमान्ते सन्ति। द्वितीयायां एधांसि इति एकं पदं, सर्वकर्माणि इति पदद्वयम्। अव्ययपदानि चत्वारि, 4 अव्ययस्। भस्मसात् 2, अगेन भस्मसात् तथा। सो 4 अव्ययपदानि सन्ति अस्मिन् श्लोके। यथा भस्मसात् भस्मसात् तथा इति। क्रियापदं द्वयं। तत्र द्वे क्रियापदे कुरुते इति एकम्, अगेन कुरुते द्वितीयं। विशेषणपदम् एकं, समिद्धः, समिद्धः। समस्तपदद्वयं, ज्ञानाग्निः इति एकं, सर्वकर्माणि इति अन्यत्। ज्ञानाग्निः सर्वकर्माणि। सकारान्तपदम् एकम्, एधस्, एधस्। नकारान्तपदम् एकं, कर्मन्, कर्मन्, कर्माणि। इकारान्तपदद्वयं, 2 इकारान्तस्। Agnihi.
ज्ञान
No, no. Again Agnihi. Agnihi. द्विहि तत्र प्रयुक्तमस्ति अग्नि पदम् अग्निः अग्निः इकारं पुल्लिङ्गपदानि चत्वारि 4
अग्निः
yes समिद्धः also पुल्लिङ्ग अग्निः अर्जुन then अन्ते गत्वा नपुंसकलिङ्गपदानि पदद्वयं द्वे एदस् इति एकं कर्माणि इति द्वितीयम् एदस् कर्माणि इति पदद्वयं नपुंसकलिङ्गे अस्ति आकाङ्क्षाविस्तरः श्रीनिवास कुरुते नाम करोति किम कुरुते what makes what does what makes अव्ययपदम द्वितीयम अव्ययपदम he wants you to use the second अव्ययपद numbered no second one भस्मसात् number is there in the book so किम कुरुते what does it do भस्मसात् means reduces to ashes कहा भस्मसात् कुरुते what makes the reduction to ashes इकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचन ज्ञानाग्निः what reduces to ashes ज्ञानाग्निः कीदृशः अग्निः oh he wants to say agni he wants first us to use agni first agni now kidrusha agni bhasmasat kurute what type of fire reduces things to ashes samiddha okay jnanagni is okay there first kidrusha samiddha kindled kindled fire samiddha agni kani bhasmasat kurute kindled fire reduces to ashes what sakaranta napumsaka किम समिद्धः अग्निः कानि भस्मसात् कुरुते एधांसि इति कानि इति तत्र प्रश्ने नपुंसकप्रयोगः कृतः किमर्थं यतः बिकास् एदस् शब्दः नपुंसकः अस्ति एधांसि काष्ठानि एदस् नाम काष्ठं काष्ठं काष्ठे काष्ठानि काष्ठानि समिद्धः अग्निः भस्मसात् करोति कुरुते the fire lit kindled fire reduces the sticks fire the wood to ashes arjuna samiddha agnihi yatha edhamsi bhasmasat kurute तथा कः भस्मसात् कुरुते ओ अर्जुन like the kindled enkindled fire reduces the firewood to ashes similarly what other thing reduces to ashes ज्ञानाग्निः 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 तथा कानि भस्मसात् कुरुते the fire of knowledge reduces to ashes what like that
कानि again is in napumsaka
sarva karmani so sarva karmani so the fire enkindled fire of knowledge like the actual fire reduces to ashes the wood the fire of knowledge reduces to ashes all the karma sarva karmani papani karmani punyani cha papani punyani cha avisheshena without any remnant अन्वयार्थं पठतु श्रीनिवास
अर्जुन हे अर्जुन समिद्धः अग्नि यथा एधांसि भस्मसात् कुरुते
तथा
ज्ञानाग्निः सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते
सरलः तत्र श्लोकः हे अर्जुन समिद्धः अग्निः यथा एधांसि भस्मसात् कुरुते just as the kindled fire reduces to ashes the firewood, tatha in the similar manner, jnana agnihi, the fire called knowledge, sarva karmani, all types of karmas, all types of punya and papa, bhasmasat kurute, it reduces them to ashes only, it destroys them otherwise. Padartham pashyamaha. Arjuna,
हे अर्जुन
samiddha, sudiptaha, samyak deeptaha, samyak deeptaha, well lit, samiddha, agnihi, pavakaha, yatha edhamsi, indhanani, kastani, as I said, kastani, indhanani, bhasmasat, kurute, vidhatti, nayati, kurute nama nayati, bhasmi bhavam nayati, bhasmasat kurute, tatha tenaiva prakarena, in the similar manner, jnana agnihi, atmajnana rupaha agnihi, the knowledge in the form of the fire of knowledge in the form of self knowledge. Srinivas, the fire of knowledge in the form of self knowledge. Sarva karmani,
sampurna karma phalani.
So sarva karmani means sampurna. Papani punyani. Cha aviseshena prarabdha phala bhinnani. So prarabdha phala bhinnani karmani. So prarabdha karma will not be destroyed because it has already started. Sanchita karma will be finished. Agami karma will be finished. But prarabdha karma will continue. That is what the commentator Madhusudana Saraswati says, Papani punyani cha aviseshena bhasmasat karoti prarabdha phala bhinnani karmani. Prarabdha phala bhinnani, different from the prarabdha karmas. That means sanchita karma and also vartamana karma. So karmas, generally we speak of three types: sanchita, prarabdha and vartamana or agami karma. So we are making our karma now. We are we are reaping the karma of the prarabdha karma is, and sanchita karma comes very subtle way. That is what is called as luck. Why somebody is born in a very comfortable place, why someone is born in a very pitiable condition. There the karma theory explains us that is sanchita karma. Because of his account balance, good balance, then he gets promoted. So all these karmas will be destroyed once you get jnana agni, except what the comment is prarabdha karma. And prarabdha karma has to be enjoyed, has to be undergone by the individual. Prarabdha karma bhogenaiva kshayat. Then some commentator said bhogenaiva kshayat. You have to undergo that, experience that. Prarabdha karmanam bhogenaiva kshayat. The kshaya comes only by undergoing. So bhavartham padatu. Yes, what is that? Bhasmasat is an away. Bhasmasat means totally reducing to ashes. Yeah, Samskrita bhavartha.
Jnanasya mahatvam asmi drishtantena
prakatayan
bhagavan aha.
The Lord said here, explaining the greatness of knowledge. Like I quoted 9th chapter, Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam. This knowledge of Gita is Raja Vidya, Raja Guhyam, Rahasyatamam, Pavitram, Uttamam, Pratyakshaavagamam, Susukam, very easy, Kartum Avyayam, Avyayam Jnanam. This is imperishable knowledge, Evam Parampara Praptamimam Rajarshayoho Viduhu. Because this knowledge has been coming even before the Lord Krishna was there. But there was a break, so he had to tell Arjuna. So this knowledge is that. So Jnanasya Mahatvam Agni Drishtantena, with the example of fire he is giving. Prakatayan, the Lord said,
Hey Arjuna, Avrutta Jnana.
Arjuna's another Sambodhana used it. Avrutta Jnana. Your jnana is covered now. Your mind is clouded. Therefore, you are called avrutta jnana.
प्रज्वलितः कृशानुः यथा काष्ठानि सम्पूर्णतया दग्ध्वा तानि भस्मीकरोति एवम् आत्मज्ञानरूपः
अनलः
सर्वाणि कर्माणि शुभाशुभानि कर्मफलानि प्रारब्धातिरिक्तानि
सर्वांशेन
नाशयति.
So he has used in this here prarabdha atiriktani, other than the prarabdha karmas. So hey Arjuna, what type of Arjuna is addressed here? Avrutta jnanam. Avruttam jnanam yasya saha avrutta jnanaha tadrushah. Yasya Arjunasya jnanam tadanim युद्ध समये आवृतम आसीत् प्रज्वलितः कुशानुः, well lit fire, just like the fire, यथा काष्ठानि एधांसि संपूर्णतया दग्ध्वा, burning totally, like the fire totally reduces the firewood into the ashes, तानि भस्मीकरोति, makes it them ashes. Evam, in the similar manner, Atmajnana Rupaha Agnihi, the fire in the form of the knowledge of the self. Sarvani karmani, Shubha Ashubhani, Papani Punyani, Karma Phalani, all the results of the karmas, Prarabdha Atiriktani, that is what he said, Prarabdha Phala Bhinnani, Prarabdha Phala Bhinnani, other than the Prarabdha karmas, Sarvamshena by all means Nashayati, destroys. Next. Prarabdha karmanam
फलभोगे जायमाने
api
तेन अंतःकरणे ईर्ष्यशोकादयः
न हर्षशोकादयः
विकाराः न
प्रादुर्भवन्ति. So where we stopped? Evam, in the similar manner, Atmajnana Rupaha Analaha, in the similar manner, the knowledge in the form Sarva Karmani Shubhaya, oh, that is done. Sarvamshana. Prarabdha Karmanam Phala Bhogi, in the enjoyment, when the enjoyment of the actions of the Prarabdha Karma, which have already started, Jayamanepi, when a man, individual, is experiencing the fruits of his prarabdha karma, tena antakkarane harsha shokadaya vikara, even when a man is experiencing the fruits of the prarabdha karma, there will be no vikaras born in his mind. Harsha, like vikaras like harsha shokadaya, joy or sorrow, such will not affect vikaraha na pradurbhavati. They don't come to the person who is experiencing the prarabdha karma. When he started, these things don't come. Tena antakkarane, in his mind, in his harsha shokadayaha vikaraha, these vikaras na pradurbhavati, they don't show up. The vikaras don't show up like harsha moga to a person who has already started experiencing, undergoing the prarabdha karma. Asanga Gnanat, Sharira Indriyebhyaha Atmanaha Asanga Gnanat, because they don't affect him, because Sharira Indriyebhyaha, because of Atmanaha Asangatva, this soul is totally unattached to the body and the Indriyas. See, soul is different from the Sharira and Indriya, isn't it? When a man is sincerely enjoying his prarabdha karma, so there will be, it is something like in grammar, one sandhi rule, on one sandhi rule, there won't be another sandhi like. So when you are enjoying one karma, there is no question of another karma there. So when we are sincerely following our duty, so this shoka, moha, adi, etc., vikaras don't come to us because they are attached with the sharira and indriya. Sharira indriyebhyaha atmanaha asangatvat. Atma is not attached to the self is not attached to this body and the indriyas. So therefore he will not get any vikara. That is what he says in the Bhava.
But it is temporary when a person is given anesthesia.
Wow.
So he won't be having the pain during the operation.
Yeah, that is true. Temporarily disconnected. Kriyamaneshu, you have to read.
Kriyamaneshu karmasu कर्तृत्वाभिमान राहित्यात् न ततः फलोत्पत्तिः जायते इति भावः.
Then while performing the prarabdha karma and doing his routine karma, kriyamaneshu api karmasu, when actions have been performed, kartrutva abhimana rahityat, because of, if the person has no ego about doing those actions, kartrutva abhimana rahityat. This is all the same thing. Now what Gita says, you just do your duty. Again, what comes to our mind is the famous sloka, karmanyeva adhikarasti ma paleshu kadachana. You do your duty. Arjuna was worried, no, why should I kill these people? What will I get? Kinno rajyena govinda kim bhogaihi jivitena va. So many things he questioned. No? Are Baba, you are a kshatriya, you fight for justice. Justice has to be established. That is dharma. So you just fight, don't worry about the result. So kartrutva abhimana, and while fighting you should not take pride in that. I am fighting, I am the great. Kartrutva abhimana rahityat, that should be there. There should be no egoism of doing. Na tataha palotpati, therefore there will be no phala. When a man is mentally detached to the fruits of what he is doing, he will not be entangled. Karma phala will not be there. Na karma phala, that is what he says. Na tataha, thereafter, phala utpattihi jayate na jayate iti bhavaha. So the moment we assert ourselves, we think aham karta iti yada etadrushi bhavana utpadyate manasi tada tatra asakti sanjayate. Then you get attached. You do it and forget about it. So you will not be bound by the reaction. There will be no reaction, only action. That is what the Saramsha says. So prarabdha karma is touched here, and vartamana karma, what is called pravritta karma, and sometimes it is called agami karma. So karma theory is there, we can't avadheya abhyasaha. Pradattan prashnan, okay. Arjuna iti sambodhanena kim sanketitam. What is indicated by the word Arjuna here? Avritta jnanam. Analaha kani bhasmasat kurute. What does the fire reduce to ashes? Kasthani. Analaha kani bhasmasat, okay, we're done. Jnanam samyak darshanam kani nashayati. Knowledge, proper understanding, what does it burn down?
Sarvani karmani.
Sarva karmani, yes. Samyak darshanam sarva karmani sarvani karmani. Karma phalam kati vidham. Karma phala is how many types?
Shubha shubhani karma phalani.
Yeah, dvividham shubha ashubhani. Prarabdha karma phalasya nashaha bhavati nava. न भवति न भवति न भवति विहाय प्रारब्ध कर्म सर्वकर्माणि तत्र नश्यन्ते अनेन श्लोकेन कस्य महत्वं प्रकटितं what greatness is highlighted by this shloka of what greatness of what कस्य महत्वम् आत्मज्ञानस्य अनेन श्लोकेन आत्मज्ञान आत्मज्ञानस्य महत्वं प्रकटितं. व्हाट इज सेड?
आत्मनः असंगज्ञानः.
That is there, but आत्मज्ञान is highlighted. व्याकरण अभ्यास श्रीनिवास संधि यथैदांसि समिद्धोस् समिद्धो विसर्ग पूर्व रूप संधिभूत. अग्निर्भस्मसात् रेफादेश. कुरुतेर्जुन पूर्व रूप से. ज्ञानाग्नि नाम निर्देश पूर्वकम ससंधि पदानि विसंधि. ओके, डू दिस बोथ वेज. श्वेतैडका क्षेत्री चरन्ति. श्वेतैडकाः प्लस एडकाः. श्वेत एडकाः वृद्धि. नवौर्णकम् आसामेवास्ति. देयर आर टू प्लस और्णकम उल और्णकम. नव प्लस और्णकम वृद्धि. आसाम प्लस that is not a sandhi. Eva plus asti. Eva. So nava plus aurnakam, new wool. These sheep have no wool. Wool. Aurnakam means wool.
What is the first word?
Shweta means white. Edaka means sheep. White sheep. Shvetedakaah kshetri charanti. They are moving in the field. The white sheep. And their wool is nava aurnakam, fresh wool they have. Second is connected to that. Because edaka is that sheep, strilinga shabda. Asam, that is why Asam. Navaurnakam Asam edakanameva asti. I don't know where from these examples are picked up. What is the context? Where are we going? Examples. Vanaukasam sarlah svabha. Vana aukasam. Okasam also. Okas means gruham. Vanaukasaha means vanam okaha yasya saha. A person whose residence is forest. Forester. Forest dwelling dweller. Vanaukasam sarlah svabha. The nature of the forest living people is very simple. Prabuddhopi na bhashati. Na bhashati. So even though one is enlightened, prabuddhaha, buddhaha prabuddhaha, prakrustena buddhaha. One highly enlightened, he does not talk. So very viparita examples are given here. Kutaha asmakam guravaha. Where are our teachers?
You have to make sandhi.
Kuto asmakam purva rupasa. Ramaha asmi
Sarvam sahe. Ramosmi sarvam sahe.
Rama is saying, is Rama saying this? Ramaha asmi, I am Rama, so I tolerate everything. Some example. Harir harati papani.
Harihi harati papani.
Visarga. Swabhavaihi jayanti lokam.
Swabhavair jayanti lokam.
Visarga. Refadi. Shubhaihi lalita kundalaihi.
Shubhair lalita kundalaihi.
Visarga. Shubhaihi lalita. Lalita means lovely. Kundala means these earrings. One is with good and lovely earrings. Shubha means good, splendid. Harategham satkarma. Harategham. Agham. Satkarma. Agham papam. Anagha. So harate agham papam satkarma. Satkarma agham papam harate. Good activity, good karma removes the sin. Kurute anavadyam karyam. Kurute anavadyam karyam. Anavadyam blameless work. somebody is doing good karma, not blameless work. Hare adhuna dayasva maam.
Hare Adhuna Dayasva.
Hare adhuna dayasva.
Adhuna means
No. O Hari, have pity on me, dayasva. No. Yasyasti vittam saralam.
Yasya asti chittam sarvam.
I'm sorry. I am taken by the sloka. Yasyasti vittam sanarak kulina sa panditaha sa vidvan. Yasyasti chittam saralam. Yasyasti chittam. Punya atma suprasidati.
Punyatma suprasidati.
Raja agna gariyasi.
Rajagya
Gariyasi. So, Samasaha. Jnanagni is given as Vigraha Vakya. Jnanam eva agnihi. That is a karmadharaya sub-variety of Tatpurusha Samasa. Last class also I told you. Karmadharaya is nothing but variety of Tatpurusha Samasa. So Jnanam eva agnihi. Knowledge itself is fire. Knowledge fire. Now down you have to do. Jnanameva plavaha iti.
Jnana plavaha.
Jnana plavaha. Boat. Plavaha means boat. Knowledge is like a boat here. So if you have a boat, you will cross this samsara sagara. To cross the samsara sagara, you need a boat. And what is the boat? Jnana plavaha. That is there in the Gita also. That I don't exactly remember the poem. Himsa eva pishachi iti.
Himsa pishachi.
Himsa pishachi. Himsa itself is, violence itself is a demoness. Shastrameva jyotihi iti.
Shastra jyotihi.
Shastra jyotihi. Kapatameva mitram iti.
Kapata mitram.
Kapata mitram. When somebody is kapata mitri. Cunning friend. Nirdishta adha nirdishta sthaneshu samasta padam rupam likatu. Okay. Sarvani cha tani karmani iti karmadharaya. The above one, Jnanameva Agni is avadharana purvapada karmadharaya. Where eva comes. Knowledge only itself is fire. That is called sub-variety. Now here this is called karmadharya. Sarvani cha tani karmani. Similarly, Neelam cha tad akasham. No, you have to join now.
Neela akasham.
Neela akasham. Yeah. Sarve cha te dharmaha iti.
Sarve dharmaha.
Sarva dharmaha. Sarve cha te dharmaha sarva dharmaha tan sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. You go to the final sloka of the Gita. Sarvani cha tani pustakani iti. Sarva pustakani. So you see how the sarva dharmaha, because dharma shabda is pullinga. Pustaka shabda is napumsaka linga, therefore sarva pustakani it becomes sarvani, and in the Vigraha Vakya sarvani cha tani pustakani. You can't say sarve cha te pustakani. Understand? You know that. Visheshana, Vishesha bhava. Sundari cha sa vatika. Now here Sundara shabda is used in Strilinga. Sundara vatika. Sundara purushaha is there, for example. How do you say? Sundara cha asau purushaha cha. That is. Patuhu cha asau, like asau has come here. Balaha cha. Patu balaha. So Sundara balaha, Sundaraha cha asau balaha cha also. Patu balaha, clever boy. So these are examples of karma dharaya. Tadita pratyant. Srinivas?
Yes.
Adaha satyantam avyayapadam likhantu. Bhasmasat kurute krishnam karma bhasma sampadyate. So the entire karma is made into ashes, turned into ashes. Tat kurute iti. Bhasman shabda sati. From sati you get sat. Now go down. Krishnam lavanam jalam sampadyate. Tat kurute iti. Jala plus sati.
Jalasat.
Jalasat. कृष्णं शस्त्रं अग्निः संपद्यते इति अग्निसाति अग्निसात् कृष्णं मीन्स एंटायर कृष्णं भुवनं भूमिः संपद्यते इति भवनं भूमिः संपद्यते भूमि सात् कृष्णं सरोवरं क्षेत्रं संपद्यते इति सात् सो यू टर्न दिस क्षेत्र सात् कृत प्रत्यय समिद्धः सम इंद इति धातु इंद इति धातु अस्ति that is a very rare verb inde I think I have given maybe in the note let me see whether it is given yeah it is given there so we go here Srinivas where we stopped in the ktanta kartarita. So you can go to the first one dash vrishabah nardati bandha plus ktanta how does it become a bull is making noise no bandha plus ktanta what comes out of ktanta ta only baddha vrishabah nardati making sound a bound bull which is bound dash jalena milati snihata snigdhena jalena that should go with the jala shabda is here vishesha pada and snigdha is visheshana pada snigdhena jalena milati. Then third one dash krudha balakaya modakam dehi krudhaya balakaya modakam dehi give a sweet to the angry boy. Then dash shikshakat adhite prabuddhat shikshakat enlightened teacher he studies from an enlightened teacher. Karmani dash mama kutra kalaha naha plus kta naha is a dhatu which means bandhane to tie down. Karmani karmani that is karmani dash mama kutra kala that means where is time for me who I am bound in the karma karmani naddaha something like baddaha naha becomes nadda Srinivas same thing like bandha dhatu baddaha if you replace this naha dhatu take bandha what will become baddaha karmani baddaha mama kutra kala where is time for me who I am bound by the work where is time for me who is caught up in doing work. So our Prime Minister should say this sentence karmani naddaha mama kutra kalaha asti. Then sixth one siddh siddh also means to reach samradhav attain to succeed etc siddhyanti etc. Karye what is that karye samam phalam siddhe karye samam siddhe karye siddhe sati samam phalam bhavati. So when the work becomes successful equal result will be there. Dash jalam aneyam shuddham jalam aneyam pure water should be brought. Last one munchata kakshayaha muktaha griham ayasyati. I have already done muktaha. Kakshayaha muktaha means free from the class, released from the class. Griham ayasya, he will come to the home. Agamishyati, ayasyati. So evam rupena ktanta krit tasya cha vartamani iti nishthayaha udaharanani drishtani. Kriya karaka sambandha. You can just read. This is simple.
कर्तरि क्रिया
भस्मसात्
क्रिया विशेषणं
भस्मसात् क्रिया ज्ञानाग्नि अग्नि
कर्ता
सर्वकर्माणि कर्म समिद्धः
कर्तृविशेषणं
यथा तथा
दृष्टान्त
दार्ष्टान्तिकार्थे. Darshtanta means example, similarity. Drishtanta, darshtanta, derived from drishtanta. Drishtanta means example. In the sense of drishtanta, darshtantika arte. Example, in the illustration and example you can say, in that sense. Yatha tata. Edhamsi, Arjuna, kurute kartari kriya. Now comes your show of the Pariyaya Shabdas. Edhaha, edhate, vardate, agnihi, anena. So firewood it is, isn't it? Edhasi is firewood. So when you put firewood into the fire, what grows? Fire grows. Edhate, vardate. Agnihi anena. Anena edasa kastena. Like I am reminded of the sloka. Agnistrupyati no kastaihi. Agnihi no trupyati. Na trupyati kastaihi. Fire is not satisfied by putting firewood into the fire. Wood. Agnistrupyati no kastaihi nantakaha sarvabhutaihi. Na antakaha sarvabhutaihi trupyati. Antakaha nama yamaha. Yama will not be pleased by taking the life of any number of living beings. Na antakaha sarvabhutaihi trupyati. Then something is there. Na pumbihi vamalochana. In Kama Shastra I think it is there. No woman is pleased by any number of persons. So it is very difficult to please a woman. That is what the Shastra begins. I think somewhere it is there in Kama Shastra. Agnistrupyati no kastaihi napagavihi napagavihi payodadihi. One more example he gives there. Na apagavihi nadivihi payodadihi na trupyati. The ocean is not
satisfied with
आपगाभिः नदीभिः पयोदिः समुद्रः न तृप्यति. अन्तकः सर्वभूतैः न तृप्यति. एवमेव न पुंभिः पुरुषैः वामलोचना स्त्री न तृप्यति इति. So that is how the Shastra begins in the Kama Shastra. Anyway, edate vardate, that is edha iti dhatu. This is Bhuvadigana Atmanipade. Indhanam.
Indhe dipyade agniranena. Indha dipto.
So to kindle, to shine. Indhe, indhate, indhate. So this you can look up into the, yes. Idhmascha. There is one more which I have given here. It is also Pullinga. This Indhanam is also available in Pullinga. Idhmaha, that is called. Next, Samit.
Samidhyate agniranena.
Yes, Samidhyate, fire is kindled by this, therefore it is called Samid. Samidas. Bhasma, this is Bhasman Shabda. Yeah, it is a very rare verb. So, Bhasti in the Prathama Purusha Ekavachana, used only in the Vedas it seems. So we will not discuss much about it. Bhuti is a very popular word. Bhavane. Bhavane means not building here, in existence. Bhavane being Shivangasta Bhasmani. This Bhuti is also used to refer to the ashes put on the body of Shiva. That is what. Shivangastha bhasmani. That is also called bhuti, vibhuti, whatever. Yeah. Then sampattau. Bhuti shabda is also used in sampadartha. So that is where the final sloka of Gita, yatra yogeshwara krishna yatra partho dhanurdhara tatra shrir vijayo bhutihi dhruvanitir matir mama. So bhuti shabda is used there. That bhuti shabda is sampattau. There it is used in sampadartha, well-being, fortune, etc. Bhasitam. Bhasa. Yes, ktanta bhasita. Then kshara is a word which is given, saline. It has meaning, and ashes also it has a meaning. Shivam bhuyat.